Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna share with you guys how I created ABC, or from A to Z alphabet storybook for kids. I just did created an alphabet using animals, and then I also did use fruits from A to Z, and this time I'm gonna use a storybook for A to Z, and at the same time there is a moral lesson that they can learn from each letter inside of this tutorial. So please watch this tutorial till the end and let me know down the comments if you have any questions or your feedback. Alright, so but before we jump into my computer, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Click the like button, share this video, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so without any further ado, let's do this. Alright, so let's go to ChatGPT, and there you go. So here is the prompt that I just created, guys. So I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt from A to Z alphabet storybook, and the prompt is here. So I'm gonna let you screenshot the prompt, and you can tweet it, you can change it, so it depends on what do you want for your alphabet storybook. Alright, so I asked ChatGPT to create a scene for each letter and the moral of each letter. So there you go. So I'm going to copy the final prompt, and we're going back to Artistly. Okay, we're going to create a new design. Click this one, and then as always the AI Storybook Studio, click this one, and under that you click the script to storybook. Okay, I'm gonna click this one and create a new story. So from here I'm going to paste the script that we just got from ChatGPT, and we're going to choose a character for the library, or I think any characters that you want to use into this. Then go ahead, guys, since I don't have characters much in here, so I might use, okay, let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna use this boy again, as same as the character that I used since the beginning. Let's just do this one and choose from the library. Then if you have any characters that you can create your own characters, guys, and just upload here. So here it is, the script, and then we're going to resize this to 3 by 4, and the book title is Alphabet Storybook. Alphabet Storybook, and then your name. Alright, and then let's generate. Let's see how it looks like. Alright, so now you see, guys, it's processing now. Let's wait for seconds. Alright, so now we're finished with our A to Z alphabet storybook, guys. So here it is. As you see, let's check before we create a flip book. Alright, there you go, A, B, C. Alright, I think all the letters are there, and the story on the top here. So like for example, the G, Gina the giraffe gives leaves to hungry zebra. Moral, G is for gentle hands. Alright, there you go. So everything is okay through letter Z. Alright, so once we finish with this, you check all of the letters from A to C. We're gonna click the script to storybook V2, and then we're going to click create flipbook. Check this box. So let's see if all the boxes are checked until letter Z, from A to Z from here, and then we're going to click create flipbook. And there, here we are again. I'm going to put a voice, and then from the library, let's choose this one, A to Z alphabet storybook. Okay, that's the front cover, and then I will generate the flipbook. And there you go. So it's still in progress, and let's wait for seconds until the book is ready, and we're going to test how it sounds like and how it looks like when we upload it to KDP to create a book. All right, let's wait 4 seconds. All right, so now it's ready. So let's take a look. Okay, let's click the read and let's see how it looks like and how it sounds like while telling the story. All right, so I'm going to play this and let's see.
A Fay Amy, the ant finds a shiny apple and shares it with her friends. Moral: A is for always share. B Fay Ben, the bunny slips on a banana peel but laughs and gets up again. Moral: B is for be careful. C Fay Coco, the cat explores a colorful cave full of sparkly stones. Moral: C is for curiosity helps you learn. D Fay Diddy, the dog dances happily by the pond.
All right, so I'm just gonna stop here, guys, and I'm not gonna continue until letter C. I just want to show you guys that you can create a storybook from A to Z using ChatGPT and Artistly. So I created three story for this, for alphabet using animals, and the alphabet using fruits, and this time is the alphabet storybook from A to Z. Alright, so that's all for today's tutorial, guys. I hope this helps and you can create your own storybook. So go for it, guys. Play around with this, and if you have any question, just let me know down in the comments. All right, so before we go, guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And for all my subscribers and for my new subscribers, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.